ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേറ്റ് എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിൻ്റെ 21st എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് എക്സാം ഓറിയൻറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് തന്നെ നോക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ആൾ ആർ നോൺ എസെൻഷ്യൽ അമിനോ ആസിഡ് എക്സെപ്റ്റ്. ഹിയർ ദി ചോയ്സ് ആർ തൈറോസിൻ, ഗ്ലൈസിൻ, സെറിൻ, വാലിൻ. Tyrosine, glycine, serine and valine. Here the correct answer, valine. The non-essential amino acids can be made by our body. While essential amino acids cannot be made by the body, so we must get them from our diet. Non-essential amino acids include alanine, arginine, asparagine, aspartic acid, cysteine, glutamic acid, glutamine, glycine, proline, serine and tyrosine. The essential amino acids include arginine. Here it is required in the case of youngsters, but it is not essential in case of adult. Second one, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan and valine. These are essential amino acids. These amino acids are required in the diet. Plants, of course, must be able to make all the amino acids. Second question, primary function of protein are all except. Choice, bodybuilding, repair and maintenance, antibody formation, providing energy. Primary function of protein: bodybuilding, repair and maintenance, antibody formation. These are the main function of proteins. Here the correct answer, providing energy. Some more points are there. Hair and nails are mostly made up of proteins. Our body uses protein to build and repair tissues. Protein is used to make enzymes, hormones and other body chemicals. Protein is an important building block of bones, muscles, cartilages, skin and blood. Here the third question, all the following are saturated fatty acids except. Here the choice, lauric acid, palmitic acid, oleic acid and stearic acid. Here the correct answer, oleic acid. Oleic acid is unsaturated fatty acids. Some more important points about fatty acids are there. Saturated fatty acids have hydrocarbon chains connected by single bond only. Here in case of unsaturated fatty acids have one or more double bonds. Saturated fats tends to be solid at room temperature and from animal source, while unsaturated fats are usually liquids and from plant sources. Common dietary saturated fatty acids include stearic acid, palmitic acid, butyric acid, lauric acid, myristic acid. The examples of unsaturated fatty acids include oleic acid, linoleic acid, linolenic acid. The most recognizable oils that are high in linoleic acids are argan oil, evening primrose oil, grapeseed oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, sesame oil, pumpkin seed oil and sweet almond oil. Dietary sources of alpha-linolenic acid include flax seeds and flaxseed oil, canola or rapeseed oil, soybean and soybean oil, walnut and walnut oil. Fourth question, the most important essential fatty acid is dash. Choice, linoleic acid, linolenic acid, arachidonic acid, stearic acid. Here the correct answer, the most important essential fatty acid is linoleic acid. Two essential fatty acids are there. Essential fatty acids are polyunsaturated fatty acids and there are two of these, alpha linolenic acid or omega 3 fatty acids and linoleic acid or omega 6 fatty acid. Here the fifth question, all are disaccharide except. Here the choice, sucrose, lactose, galactose, maltose. ഡൈസാക്രൈഡിൻ്റെ ക്ലാസിഫിക്കേഷൻ നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി പഠിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞതാണ്. അതിൽ റെഡ്യൂസിങ് ഡൈസാക്രൈഡും നോൺ റെഡ്യൂസിങ് ഡൈസാക്രൈഡും വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അതിൽ ഇവിടെ ലാക്ടോസും മാൾട്ടോസും റെഡ്യൂസിങ് ഡൈസാക്രൈഡിൽ വരുന്നതാണ്. ആൻഡ് സുക്രോസ് ഈസ് അണ്ടർ നോൺ റെഡ്യൂസിങ് ഡൈസാക്രൈഡ്. Here the correct answer, galactose. Sixth question. Indigestible component of the carbohydrate with no nutritive value is dash. Choice: starch, cellulose, galactose, maltose. Indigestible component of carbohydrate with no nutritive value. Here the correct answer: cellulose. Seventh question. Which of the following is a carbohydrate of animal origin? Choice: glucose, sucrose, starch, glycogen. Here the correct answer: carbohydrate of animal origin, glycogen. Eighth one. 1 gram of carbohydrate provide energy. Here the choice: 4.75 kilocalorie, 9.3 kilocalorie, 4.1 kilocalorie, 3.75 kilocalorie. 1 gram of carbohydrate provide how much energy? Here the correct answer: 3.75 kilocalorie. Ninth question. Preformed vitamin A is dash. Here choice: retinol, beta carotene, alpha carotenoid. Preformed vitamin A is dash. Here the correct answer: retinol is the correct answer. Vitamin is a fat-soluble vitamin that is stored in the liver. There are two types of vitamin A that are found in the diet. Preformed vitamin A is found in animal products such as meat, fish, poultry, and dairy foods. Provitamin A is found in plant-based food such as fruits and vegetables. 10th question. The bodybuilding foods are all except. Choice: fruits, milk, pulses, and poultry. Here the correct answer: fruits. 11th question. Which is not a live attenuated vaccine? Choice: BCG, measles, OPV, pertussis. Live attenuated vaccine allathathu. Here the correct answer: pertussis. The list of live attenuated vaccines are there: BCG vaccine, rubella vaccine, yellow fever vaccine, influenza vaccine, typhoid vaccine, mumps vaccine, oral polio vaccine, rotavirus, epidemic typhus vaccine, smallpox vaccine, chickenpox vaccine, and measles vaccine. Next, 12th question. Vector is dash. Choice: arthropod or animal, bacteria or animal, virus or parasite. Here the correct answer: vector is arthropod and animal. Vector-borne diseases are infections transmitted by the bite of infected arthropod species such as mosquito, ticks, triatomine, bugs, sandflies, and black flies. Arthropod vectors are cold-blooded, ectothermic, and thus especially sensitive to climatic factors. 13th question. Epidemiology deals with the study of dash. Here the choice are all health related events and state in population, epidemic diseases, communicable and non-communicable diseases. Epidemiology deals with the study of all health related events and states in population. Correct answer: all health related events and states in population. 14th question. Rheumatic heart disease affect. Choice: heart and muscles, heart and nerves, heart and arteries, heart and joints. Rheumatic heart disease affect. Correct answer: heart and muscles. 15th question. Cancer are caused by dash. Here the choice are dietary factors, tobacco consumption, exposure to chemicals, all the above. Cancer are caused by. Here the correct answer: all the above. Cancer causative ആയിട്ട് മാറുന്ന ഡയറ്ററി ഫാക്ടർ വരുന്നുണ്ട്, ടൊബാക്കോ കൺസപ്ഷൻ വരുന്നുണ്ട്, എക്സ്പോഷർ ടു കെമിക്കൽസ് അതും വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന all the above.